Second question, Mon, or are you directing that to the rest of the band? Okay.
Well, like Bamboo said, yes, yes, kung anong mga nangyayari ngayon is very encouraging dahil, well, of course, the web is two-edged sword, kumbaga. It could help you or it could ruin you. In some ways, it has ruined the music industry because of downloading and piracy. But in other ways, it also has helped OPM dahil a lot of talent has been, Filipino talent has been recognized internationally, like sina Arnel Ignacio, yeah, and Arnel Pinedo also, Charisse Contenco. But yeah, we all know that the Filipino talent is still untapped and very much has a lot of potential. And as long as Filipinos keep this passion alive for music, I don't think anything will destroy it anytime soon.